Choosing the best RAM for gaming is essential for unlocking your system's full potential, ensuring smooth gameplay and fast performance. With modern games becoming more demanding, having the right RAM can make a significant difference in load times, multitasking, and frame rates. In this video, we compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best RAM for gaming in 2025. Check out links to the product in the description box. Let's get started. Number 5. Patriot Viper Steel RGB. The Patriot Viper Steel RGB is a memory solution that is worth considering for 1080p gaming PCs. This kit provides enough speed and capacity to support competitive gameplay at 1080p high settings, along with an illuminated look that will easily fit into a gaming PC. While many of the configurations aren't worth considering, such as the 8GB and 16GB options, as they are unable to meet the demands of the newest releases, the 32GB and 64GB versions of the Patriot Viper Steel RGB act as a solid entry-level option. With transfer speeds of up to 3,600 megatransfers per second and CAS latency as low as CL19, this RAM is capable of providing smooth gameplay and fast loading times. When it comes to appearance, the strip of RGB lighting includes a serrated edge, leading to a design ideal for a gaming-oriented system. The lighting effects can also be customized with various software, allowing them to be synchronized with other RGB components. Unfortunately, this design has a number of limitations, which are not solely due to it being a DDR4 option. For example, the Viper Steel RGB includes more capacity and latency restrictions compared to other DDR4 RAM we've tested. On top of this, the design lacks some of the wow factor available on other kits within a similar price range. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. For those looking to stick to DDR4 RAM, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro is the best choice for budget-friendly systems. It offers reliable performance that can support the latest games, as well as a luxurious design with plenty of customization options. Like the DDR5 RAM we tested from Corsair, the Vengeance RGB Pro has a wide range of configurations, making it possible to accelerate performance for swift and responsive gameplay. With transfer speeds of up to 3,600 megatransfers per second, CAS latency as low as CL16, and a maximum capacity of 128 gigabytes, the Vengeance RGB Pro kits are simply one of the best options for DDR4. The high-end nature of this memory is reflected in the design, as each DM includes a healthy dose of RGB lighting. Along with the typical strip along the top, this RAM features crystallized cutouts, leading to a design that exudes quality. As an older generation piece of hardware, the main concern with the Vengeance RGB Pro is longevity. Though DDR4 memory still performs well when playing the latest games, we've already seen AMD drop support for DDR4 on their AM5 platform, preventing it from being used alongside Ryzen 7000 CPUs and AM5 motherboards. Intel is likely to follow within the next few years, which makes this RAM seem like a less worthwhile investment. Number 3. Kingston Fury Renegade. The Kingston Fury Renegade strikes a happy medium between design and pricing, offering a striking aesthetic and plenty of performance configurations while keeping the pricing reasonable. With a range of customization options and strong performance parameters, the Fury Renegade is a great choice for 1440p or 4K gaming PCs. The Kingston Fury Renegade kit we've tested includes 32 gigabytes of memory, capable of reaching transfer speeds up to 6,000 megatransfers per second and CL32 CAS latency. This is more than enough firepower to support AAA and competitive gaming. But for those looking to push their system even further, plenty of configurations are available, including a max capacity of 96 gigabytes and transfer speeds of up to 8,000 mega transfers per second. The Fury Renegade boasts a striking design. Specifically, the aggressive geometric design covering the heat sinks is paired with a large strip of RGB lighting along the top of each DIMM, creating an appearance suitable for a gaming PC. Still, it is also bound to split opinions. Another nifty feature of the Kingston Fury Renegade is the support for Intel's XMP 3.0 overclocking. This makes it easier to ensure this memory provides optimal speeds in the latest titles and the ability to switch between multiple pre-tested profiles. Number 2, G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo, the G-Skill. Trident Z5 Neo is a stark contrast to the previous kit we've tested, as it dials back on aesthetics to provide a more affordable way to gain the performance benefits of DDR5 memory. Despite this, the Trident Z5 Neo still manages to pull off an intriguing design, thanks to the curved accents along the heat sinks. This RAM also focuses on AMD Expo support, which allows anyone building an AMD-centric system to easily overclock their memory. There are a number of kits that officially support this technology, but the Trident Z5 Neo is among the cheapest. This makes it very simple to reach the maximum transfer speeds of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second available on this RAM. In terms of performance, the Trident Z5 Neo kits offer little variety, with the choices being limited to 2 to 3 options for each performance variable. For example, the Trident Z5 Neo only offers 32 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes kits, which is more than enough for modern games, but leaves little room for upgrades. Plus, the maximum transfer speeds of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second means this DDR5 memory won't be pushing the performance boundaries. One of the biggest weaknesses of this RAM is the lack of RGB, as plenty of DDR5 kits are equipped with customizable lighting, whilst G-Skill provides RGB variants of the Trident Z5 Neo kits. They come at a premium, making the non-RGB models a solid choice for those looking to keep costs down. Number 1, Corsair Dominator Titanium DDR5. The Corsair Dominator series of RAM has always been considered a luxurious solution ideal for enthusiasts, and the Dominator Titanium kits do very little to change that perception. This RAM has an eccentric modern design, top-tier transfer speeds, and minimal latency for DDR5 memory, and is ideal for high-end PC builds. The specific configuration we've tested comes with 64 gigabytes capacity, which is more than enough to handle the most demanding games. However, Corsair offers kits with a maximum capacity of 96 gigabytes. In a similar fashion, the transfer speeds and CAS latency will differ depending on the kit being used. In our case, the Dominator Titanium RAM had the slowest transfer speed available at 6,000 megatransfers per second, but also boasted the lowest latency possible. Depending on the model, transfer speeds can reach up to 8,000 megatransfers per second, with a maximum CAS latency of CL38, resulting in rapid and responsive gameplay. In terms of design, the dual stripes running along the side of each DIMM, paired with the single bar across the top, create a sleek but distinct look that is well suited to a gaming or professional environment. The Dominator Titanium also puts a heavy emphasis on customization, as the lighting effects can be altered using Corsair ICUE, and the top bar can be swapped out for custom 3D designs. However, these customization options cause the DIMMs to be taller, which could lead to clearance issues with the CPU cooler in certain builds. On top of this, the Dominator Titanium has a lavish price tag compared to other DDR5 RAM kits, making it less than ideal for those looking for great value. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.